Come walk with me. Weather ngayon is gloomy. Actually, it's raining earlier. But now it's so nice weather here in Indian Head. Ganda guys, oh. So time check, today is 9 o'clock and it's gloomy day. Just walking around. Yeah. Kanina pa ako gising. May ano pa ako, adjustment. So ang ganda ng mga bahay dito guys. Yan. Just ang payapa. Wala masyadong sasakyan.